All right, here's the lights, guys. Two of them side by side. All right, guys, so we just got this on the mail. These are the actual lamps that are going to be going up. The whole set, they give you the screws for drywall and the connection, and also the plug. If you guys want to make them like a lamp, to plug it directly to a 120 connection, not that bad. Of course, they give you the cup heads and everything else. Everything's in packing here, really nice and neat. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up. They even give you the covers too.
Oh, for the anchors. Put attention.
How do you get it where you're supposed to?
It's okay. Oh, so you blend it out with the hammer. Okay.
So you had the option to connect it directly with the outlet with a switch, a light switch. If you don't have one, you connect it to your power. Really easy.
Okay. People that live in apartments.
If you live in an apartment, you could just connect it to your power.
Okay. It could be also for wood fixtures too. But you guys can see the bed. It's gonna have two of them side by side. So you could line them up, measure them from the back, and then tie them up. It's actually the best way to do it. Yeah. Looks nice. Then what else do you do? I love this guy.
But put the light bulbs right there in the...
I know.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
gotta put it on.
Oh, you have to put that on first?
Yeah. That's to lock it in, and then the top is to...
To hold the top. Este es para apretar esto.
Put that on.
Ready?
Turn it on. Oh, I like it.
Esto so you can
Oh, you could adjust that?
Nice.
Oh, I like
even
it.
go this way.
Oh, I like it.
Para la noche. Ready?
I'm watching you.
Ready?
Yep. All right, here's the lights, guys. Two of them side by side. Rustic area. I like it. It looks rusty. Looks part of the house. So this is completely dark room in here. These are the two lights side by side. If you guys can see it. Recommendation: get LED lights. All right, not regular light bulbs, so it won't heat up too much of a lamp. But this is pretty much how it looks like. Real nice setup for mine. These could, like I say, be adjustable. Maybe you want to see more for reading light. Perfect. You guys like it? Make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.